Respectable audience, my question is 2 divided by 2 and divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Remember that, guided to PEMDAS, we have to move from left to right. So 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 and divided by 2. Now this 1 divided by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we have to IKCF 1 by 2 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. 2 is flipped, so it will become 1 by 2 divided by 2. So it is 1 times 1, we will get 1 divided by 2 times 2, we will get 4 divided by 2. Now again, we have to apply KCF rule. So we will get 1 by 4 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication, and 2 is flipped. So we will get 1 by 2. 1 multiplied by 1 as 1, and 4 times 2. We will get 8, so 1 by 8 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.